Downloading data from Robinhood can help you analyze your investments and track your portfolio. Follow these steps to easily download your data. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Robinhood website or open the mobile app and log in with your credentials. Ensure you have access to the account from which you want to download data. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu option in the app or website. Step 3. Access the data download section. Look for an option related to data downloads or account statements. This section may be labeled as account or statements depending on the platform. Step 4. Select the data type. Choose the type of data you want to download, such as transaction history, account statements, or tax documents. Make sure to specify the date range if applicable. Step 5. Download the data. After selecting the desired data, click on the download button. The data will typically be available in a CSV or PDF format, which you can save to your device. Once you have completed these steps, you will have successfully downloaded your data from Robinhood. This information can now be used for your financial analysis or record keeping.